Imagine being able to help prevent cancer every day just by eating the right foods. Yes, you heard that right. Today I'm going to talk about the 10 cancer fighting superfoods which are actually backed by science that can help you to live healthier and a longer life. Let's talk about those 10 cancer fighting superfoods that are actually going to work for you. The number one is the broccoli. First up, we have broccoli. The broccoli contains a powerful compound called as sulforaphane, which has shown to reduce the size of cancer cells in laboratory tests. Now, studies suggest it helps reduce the risk of breast, prostate, and colon cancers. Try adding it to salad, stir fries, and even roast it for a crispy snack. Because it is high in sulforaphane, potentially reduce breast, prostate, and colon cancer. That is very effective when you use the broccoli. Number two is the green tea. Green tea has been celebrated for centuries as a healing drink, especially in the Asian culture. It contains catechins, which is a type of antioxidant known for fighting cancer cells and slowing the tumor growth. Drinking green tea regularly has been linked to reduce the risk of breast, liver, and colorectal cancers. Aim for 2 to 3 cups a day for maximum benefits. Because green tea contains catechins and it is linked to reduce the breast, liver, and colorectal cancer risk, it is one of the effective superfood. Number 3 is the berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries. These are not just very tasty, but they're also packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, which help prevent the formation of cancer cells and even slow down the tumor progression. A handful of berries a day in your yogurt, smoothie, or a salad can be a very delicious way to protect your body. Because it is high in antioxidants, it supports cancer prevention and slows down the tumor progression. This is the affection. The number 3 is, and the number 4 is basically the tomatoes. Let's talk about the tomatoes. They are rich in lycopene, which is a powerful antioxidant that protects against prostate cancer and reduces the risk of lung and stomach cancer. Cooked tomatoes have even have higher lycopene levels, so making delicious tomato sauce or roast them for an added cancer fighting punch. Because it is rich in lycopene, it is effective against prostate, lung, and stomach cancers. The fifth one is the garlic. Garlic is another everyday superfood with incredible benefits. It contains allicin, which is a compound that has been shown to kill the cancer cells. Garlic can reduce the risk of stomach, colon, and esophageal cancers. Include raw or cooked garlic in your meals to harness the full potential that is going to provide you. It contains allicin, anti-cancer compound. It has been linked to lower the stomach, colon, and esophageal cancer risk as well. The number 6 is the leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, Swiss chard, these are the nutrient powerhouses. They are rich in antioxidants, fiber, folate, all of which support your body's defense mechanisms against the cancer. Folate in particular has shown links to reduce the pancreatic cancer risk. Adding a daily serving of greens can make a big difference in your life because it is rich in antioxidants, fiber, and folate. It has been linked to reduce the pancreatic cancer risk. Number 7 is the nuts and the seeds. Next up are nuts and seeds, especially almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds. They are rich in healthy fats, antioxidants, and fiber as well. Walnuts have shown anti-inflammatory effects, which help prevent prostate and breast cancer. Flax seeds contain lignans, which help to reduce the hormone-related cancers. Sprinkle them on your breakfast or snack them throughout the day. It helps in lowering your breast and prostate cancer risk, and it is high in lignans and omega-3 fatty acid. Another one is the eighth one, which is the turmeric. Turmeric has been used for thousands of years in basically the Ayurvedic medicine, and it's effective compound curcumin has been amazing anti-inflammatory source and anti-cancer properties. Studies link curcumin to lower the risk of colon, breast, and stomach cancers. Just a teaspoon a day in your meals, teas, or smoothies can do a lot of wonders. Active compound which is present in turmeric is basically the curcumin. Reduce the inflammation and the cancer risk in colon, breast, and the stomach. Another one is the grapes. Grapes, especially the red and the purple ones, contain resveratrol, which is a powerful antioxidant that has been shown a potential in preventing your cancer. Resveratrol protects your cells from damage and slow down the growth of tumors in cancer like colon, breast, and prostate. Enjoy grapes as a snack or add them to your salads. Now, grapes are effective because it contains resveratrol. It slows down the tumor growth, the breast, and the prostate cancer. Another one is the carrot, which is the last one. Now, these colorful vegetables are rich in beta carotene, a compound shown to protect cells from damage. Studies link carrot consumption to reduced risk of stomach, lung, and breast cancer. You can enjoy carrots raw, steamed, or roasted. Because it is rich in beta carotene, it protects against the stomach, lung, and the breast cancer. Now, these superfoods are not just tasty, they are powerful allies in your fight against cancer. I hope you learned about so many superfoods which can help you with your cancer, and the superfood are effective for you. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel as well.